My parents, ndingumzali okhathazekileyo. Kukhona lo mntana ndimfundisayo ne, una-12, ufunda grade 8. And this is what I found out encwadini ayifundayo esikolweni. So we're going through this book together, sifunde sobabini and just going through it. So, sazofikelela kule ndawo, mamela ba ithini. Most guys, no matter what age, get excited about curves and curls, but not me. Don't get me wrong, I like girls and their curves, and I really like women and their curvier curves. I spend hours in the bathroom with a magazine that has 1,000 pictures of naked movie stars. Naked women plus right hand equals happy, happy, joy, joy. Yep, that's right. I admit that I masturbate. I'm proud of it. I'm good at it. If there were a professional masturbators league, I'd get drafted number 1 and make millions of dollars. And maybe you're thinking, well, you really shouldn't be talking about masturbation in public. Well, tough. I'm going to talk about it because everybody does it and everybody likes it. And if God hadn't wanted us to masturbate, then God wouldn't have given us thumbs. So I thank God for my thumbs. But the thing is, no matter how much time my thumbs and I spend with the curves of imaginary women, I am much more in love with the right angles of buildings. Now tell me, I don't know, mhlambe ndimorongo, mhlambe ndi-overthinka kakhulu. But in my years of high school, zange ndafunda ncwadini ucansi. Ucansi ndalifundiswa kwa-LO uba kukhona izinto kwakuyisithini na mama, sithi kukhona into xa kusenziwa umntana, into enyimpunyimparha budyekekyekarha engalubisi. That was the only time mna e-high school qala kwam ukuva ngezinto ezinjalo. Now ndi-concerned, andikho right uba khona abantwana bako-grade 8 abafundiswa ezi zinto. And now my issues with this are, one, I feel like ifundisa abantwana into ezirong and it is right, in the sense that, one, we justify with a religion. Xa esithi bana, if God hadn't wanted us to masturbate, then God wouldn't have given us thumbs. So nomntana okhulisene nekhaya lenkolo uba hayi, you don't do such things. Once ayive encwadini, umntana omncinci akacingi njengathi, angayibhelieve into enjalo, ibe aqonda uba oh nyhani ubuthi xa bengafuni why then sibe neminwe. Uyabo? And then another thing ayithethileyo uba uthi I'm going to talk about it because everybody does it and everybody likes it. Again, this is giving umntana assurance that abekho rongo ngoyenza le nto and abekho weird. Akho nto irongo ngayo because wonke umuntu uyayenza, and makangafeel bad or guilty ngokuyenza, mama makaqhubeke kayenze because wonke umuntu uyayenza and wonke umuntu uyaenjoy. We were going through this. Ndama for a second, ndambuza umntana, are you comfortable reading this with me? Are you comfortable going through this? Because we have to talk about it. We have to analyze it. I have to hear what you think about it. And then ayoncedi nje, angeke ndilitsho igama lesikolo sakhe ne, but it's a private school. Incwadi that is approved by the Department of Education. Angekho right.